Hello friends, welcome to Mechanics Tutorial. Today we are going to solve the numerical on Mohr circle by graphical methods. Okay. Earlier we solved the same numerical by analytical methods, and from that we taken the values. Okay. Now same problem we are going to solve by using graphical methods. So what are the steps? Simply you have to follow the steps given by me. You will get the right answer. Okay. Now step 1 is that look at this figure. From that you have to note down what is the value of sigma x. Now this sigma x is positive. इसके पहले वाले न्यूमेरिकल में हमने ये एक्सप्लेन किया है why it is positive. Okay, so directly I will take the values. Sigma x is 110 Newton per mm square. Now this is in vertical direction, so it is sigma y 47 Newton per mm square. And this is shear stress. Okay, this shear stress making clockwise movement around the y plane or vertical plane, so it is positive. So tau xy is your 63, okay, Newton per mm square. Now the shear stress are always opposite in direction. This is indicating shear stress from x to y. Then tau xy will be what? Opposite to that one. So if xy is positive, then yxy, that will be what? Yx. That will be yx. That is minus 63 Newton per mm square. Okay, that much data we get from the figure. So first you have to define the point A. Point A is nothing but what? Sigma x comma tau xy. Okay, now here the sigma x is 110 and tau xy is 63. So coordinates of A point is 110 comma 63. Similarly, coordinates of B is sigma y comma tau yx. Okay, so B will be what? Sigma y is 47 and sigma yx is minus 63. Okay, then next the center point C is sigma x plus sigma y upon 2 comma 0. Okay, so ये जो भी रहेगा that is your center point. Now here before starting to solve numerical by graphical methods, we have to assume the scale. Okay, now here the scale we are assuming, that is scale is 1 centimeter equal to 10 Newton per mm square. 1 centimeter equal to 10 Newton per mm square. That means the value coordinates of A will be what? 110. Okay, Newton per mm square में ये converted into सेंटीमीटर, तो ये होगा फिर आपका 11 सेंटीमीटर, ये आएगा आपका 6.3 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, by taking the scale, तो ये पॉइंट क्या आएगा आपका 11, 6.3. बी पॉइंट आपका आएगा 4.7, minus 6.3. Okay, now here come to the B. After scale, this scale is very important. Okay, इसके ऊपर ही सारा प्रॉब्लम डिपेंड्स कर रहा है. Now first you have to mark on graph paper the x and y axis and marks the point. Okay, so point A is 11, 6.3. Okay, so this is my line of 11 and this is your 6. So somewhere here your A point will comes, that is 11, 6.3. Okay, so वो A point आएगा. Now similarly you have to go for point B also. Point B is 4.7. 4.7, this is 4. So 4.7 somewhere here and minus 6.3, this is 6. Okay, so somewhere here you will get your point B. Okay, that is 4.7 comma 6.3. Okay, now once the points are marked A and B. Okay, so you have to join the points. Okay, A and B points आपको join करने. Okay, by straight line directly. So A से ये जो line आ रही है मेरी up to B. Okay, so once the line is drawn, then the line cutting your x-axis at particular point. Okay, mark that point as a C. Okay, I will mark that point as a C and which is nothing but what? Center. Okay, अगर मैं C point यहाँ से कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूँ, okay, sigma x plus sigma y, okay, 110 plus 47, 157 divided by 2, then this value comes to near 78.5. ओके 78.5, तो C का जो पॉइंट आएगा आपका वो आएगा 7.85, ओके, सेंटीमीटर पे। तो आपका सेंटर वहीं पर कट कर रहा है, बिफोर 8 एंड आफ्टर 7, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट अप्रोक्सीमेटली वो 78 के ऊपर ही आ रहा है और ये आना ही चाहिए। अगर ये आ रहा है देन यू आर गोइंग इन करेक्ट पाथ। ओके, नहीं आ रहा है तो आपने कोऑर्डिनेट्स काउंट करने में कुछ ना कुछ मिस्टेक की होगी। ओके, सो ये ध्यान में रखना है आपका कि योर वैल्यू ऑफ C एंड यहाँ पर जो पॉइंट आ रहा है दैट शुड बी सेम, वही है। अगर आ रहा है तो आप राइट बात करो। ओके, नेक्स्ट देन टेक AC as a radius, AC as a radius and draw the circle. Okay, so after drawing the circle you have to draw another straight vertical line which is passing through the C point. Okay, तो वो ये लाइन आपको you have to draw a line which is passing through the point C. Okay, now after that is okay, fine. So that is your line C. Now after that you have to mark the point simply. Okay, so this outermost point of the circle is you have to mark 1. Then innermost part of the circle you have to mark as a 2. Okay, the topmost point of the circle you have to mark as a 3, and this last one is your mark as a 4. Okay, so from these points you will get. Okay, now I want the value of maximum principal stress, sigma max. Okay, if I measure the distance, okay, first one is your what? Sigma max, and that is nothing but what? Length of 0 to 1, length of 0 to 1। यहाँ से अगर मैं यहाँ तक मेजर कर रहा हूँ वो 14.78 आ रही है। ओके, that is equal to what? 14 let's say कि 8 या 9 सेंटीमीटर आ रही है। ओके, 14.8 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ your scale is 1 centimeter equal to 10 Newton per mm square, so that is multiply by 10। तो ये जो भी वैल्यू आएगी आपकी that is your what? 148 न्यूटन पर mm square, 148 और 149 न्यूटन पर mm square, that is sigma max। Similarly 0 to 2, that will be what? Your sigma minimum, that is your what? Sigma minimum, which is nothing but what? Length of 0 to 2। okay, length of 0 to 2 वो भी आपके एक से पहले आ रही है, that means what? वो भी आपकी 7 या 8 सेंटीमीटर के आसपास आ सकती है, that will be what? 0.8 सेंटीमीटर। okay, you have to draw this figure on graph paper, you will get accurate result। again 1 centimeter equal to 10 Newton per mm square, so multiply by it by 10, तो ये आएगा आपका 8 Newton per mm square, that is the value of your sigma x, sigma max and sigma minimum by analytical method, so both values are matching। okay, so steps are very simple। then tau max, third one is your what? Tau max, maximum shear stress, that is length from C to 3, length from C to 3। okay, from C to 3, तो ये भी आपके 7 के आसपास आ रहा है अगर आप देखें प्रॉपर्ली, राइट है। एंड यहाँ पर क्या आपका आ रहा है 70 पॉइंट समथिंग, राइट है ना। सो दिस इज योर व्हाट? 7 सेंटीमीटर। सो अगेन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 10 because 1 centimeter equal to 10 Newton per mm square, again it converted into, so ये क्या होगा फिर 70 Newton per mm square। ओके, जितना C2 3 रहेगा उतना ही आपका C2 4 आने वाला है, तो आपका टाउ मिनिमम क्या आएगा आपका फिर? that is length from C to 4, that is equal to what? -7 centimeter, which is nothing but what? -70 Newton per mm square। okay, so if you observe it, values are matching by analytical method and by graphical methods simply. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है, first you have to mark the point A and B, draw a line which is joining A and B. The line which cut x-axis, mark that point as a C and take AC as a radius. AC as a radius and draw the circle. Okay. Up to this, you will get the sigma max, sigma minimum, tau max, tau minimum. Right. Now next one is you have to find out the position. Okay. तो ये आपका जो भी रहेगा, that is your what, maximum shear stress. Okay. So here, up from here to here. Okay, from here to here, this is your what, sigma max. ये क्या है आपका sigma max. ये जो भी रहेगा ये क्या आएगा आपका sigma minimum. ओके, तो ये sigma max का प्लेन होगा, ये आपका sigma minimum का प्लेन होगा. Now shear stress moving in clockwise direction. Shear stress is moving in. Okay, so now we have to show the direction. Magnitude will be calculated. Now we have to show the direction. Now the shear stress is moving in clockwise direction. हमने quantity note down किया था. So this is your the maximum principal stress plane. This is your minimum principal stress plane. So the angle, जो भी angle आएगा आपका, so this is nothing but what, 2 theta n1. ये जो भी आएगा आपका value 2 theta n1. Okay, and from here to here 2 theta n1 plus 180, 2 theta n1 plus 180, that is 2 theta n2. Okay, 2 theta n2. And if you calculate the value of 2 theta n1 on protector, it comes around 63.4 only, 63.5 degree. Okay, and 2 theta n2, that value plus 180 मतलब वही आ गया 243. क्या आएगा आपके 243.5 डिग्री उतनी आएगी. ओके, सो व्हाई वी आर रोटेटिंग इट इज क्लॉकवाइज, बिकॉज़ shear stress is positive. That's why this plane is rotated in clockwise. ये वन यहाँ पर इसलिए ये maximum principal stress का प्लेन है, ये minimum principal stress का प्लेन है. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक उसका पोजीशन 2 थीटा n1 से इंडिकेट करेंगे. ओके, 2 थीटा n1 से इंडिकेट करेंगे एंड मिनिमम का 2 थीटा n2 से. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द प्लेन ऑफ मैक्सिमम shear stress. ओके, ये जो भी रहेगा आपका, ये आएगा आपका tau max, that is maximum shear stress, ये आएगा आपका tau minimum. ओके, नाउ the angle which is taken for shear stress, तो ये आएगा आपका यहाँ से जिस डायरेक्शन में रोटेट हो रहा है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, तो ये आएगा आपको की 2 थीटा s1. ओके, द पोजीशन ऑफ मैक्सिमम shear stress plane, and from here to here this value will be what, 2 theta s2. ओके, वर्टिकल जो ये shear plane है, तो from here to here it is एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, मूविंग एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, so माइनस आएगा क्योंकि क्लॉकवाइज हमने प्लस लिया है, तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज बाय डिफॉल्ट माइनस आएगा. तो 2 थीटा s1 621 is your what, 2 थीटा s1, ये जो भी वैल्यू आने वाली है आपकी, that comes around, अगर ये 63 है, ओके, तो 27 के आसपास आएगी. यहाँ पर 63 अगर ले आए हमने, ये 26.5 डिग्री, एंड 2 थीटा s2 is equal to plus 180. ओके, तो वो क्या आएगा आपका 206.5 डिग्री. ओके, सो हियर नेक्स्ट एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. ओके, इतना अगर आपने किया तो भी आपको 50% मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड्स. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नॉर्मल स्ट्रेस वैल्यू एंड resultant stress value with its position. Okay, now here the angle is 25 degrees given, theta theta is 25 degree is given. Okay, that means you have to rotate this plane and it is moving in clockwise. तो आपको ये वाला जो plane है, that you have to rotate in clockwise direction by 2 theta. Theta is 25, so 2 theta becomes 50. तो वो आपको rotate करना पड़ेगा at an angle of 50 in clockwise sense. Okay, तो let's say 50 degree, मतलब ये total 63 है, तो somewhere here your value comes, okay, like this. तो ये आएगा आपका inclined plane position. So on that point you have to draw another line. Okay, ये जहां पर कट कर रहा है, okay, you have to first mark that point as a 1 2 3 4. Okay, that point you have to mark as a 5. Okay, क्या मार्क करना है उसको आपको point 5 and you have to draw another vertical lines from point 5. Okay, on x-axis. From here you have to draw the line, okay, like this, right? तो ये जो भी लाइन आएगी, ओके, तो ये इंडिकेट करेगा आपका टेंजेंशियल स्ट्रेस ऑफ इंक्लाइंड प्लेन. सो मार्क दिस पॉइंट. ओके, ये वाला जो पॉइंट है, इस पॉइंट को आपको मार्क करना है बाय 6. ओके, तो प्लेन इस तरह से मूव हुआ. नाउ द रिजल्टेंट जो भी आएगा आपका, इसका रिजल्टेंट आएगा फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट another line, okay, from O to here. Okay, so that will be the resultant. Okay, वो क्या आएगा? Resultant of tangential or oblique plane, right? तो this first you have to get. अब यही क्या चाहिए कि you have to find the normal stress. क्या फाइंड करना है आपको? Normal stress. First sigma n. Sigma n is nothing but what? Length. Okay. ये जो भी आएगा from here to here, that means what? From 0 to 5. Okay, that is your resultant. 0 to 5 is your resultant. 0 to 6 is your normal strain. Length of 0 to 6. 0 to 6. Okay, तो almost ये आ रहा है 14 के आगे आ रहा है, मतलब again it comes to 145 और 146 के अराउंड आ रहा है. तो ये लेट्स से कि 14.7 सेंटीमीटर. 14.7 सेंटीमीटर. So again multiply it by 10. Okay, तो ये वैल्यू आएगी आपकी 147 या 148 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. 147 और 148 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. This will be what? Normal stress. Now the tangential stress. Next one is your what? Tangential stress. वो क्या आएगा? Length from 5 to 6 or 6 to 5. From 5 to 6, 5 to 6 vertical line. Okay, तो ये जो भी आ रही है that is approximately equal to, वो भी कितनी आनी चाहिए आपकी? Almost 20 के आसपास आ सकती है. ओके, 17 18 जो भी आएगी, राइट? तो ये लेट्स से कि आ रहा है आपका आंसर 18. ओके, 1.8 सेंटीमीटर. 1.8 सेंटीमीटर. दैट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? 18 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. 18 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ दिस विल बी व्हाट? रिजल्टेंट. ये क्या आएगा आपका? रिजल्टेंट. सो 9th one is r. r is nothing but what? Length from 0 to 5. Length from 0 to 5. ओके, ये अगर आप मेजर कर रहे हो तो ये अगेन 148 या 149. सो लेट्स से कि ये आ रही है आपकी 14.8 सेंटीमीटर. 14.8 सेंटीमीटर. सो सेंटीमीटर को न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर कन्वर्ट करने के लिए स्केल से 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो दिस वैल्यू इज योर व्हाट? 148 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. 148 न्यूटन per mm square. That is the resultant stress of inclined plane. Okay, next this will be what? Phi. That is what? Angle of obliquity. That is what? Angle of obliquity. Last one is your what? Angle of obliquity, that is phi. and वो भी कितना आ रहा है आपका? 7 to 8 डिग्री के आसपास आएगा. ओके, तो ये जो भी है this will be what? ओके, तो ये इंडिकेट कर रहा था मेरा टेंजेंशियल स्ट्रेस. ये जो भी आ रहा है आपका फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, दिस विल बी व्हाट? नॉर्मल स्ट्रेस. दिस विल बी व्हाट? योर रिजल्टेंट स्ट्रेस ऑन inclined plane. Okay, so this is ऑल अबाउट द ग्राफिकल मेथड्स. ओके, तो इसमें जो भी करना है मैं एक ओवरव्यू करता हूँ इन 2 minutes. First, you have to find the sigma x, sigma y, tau xy from the figure. Okay, note down the point A, B, and C. Assume scale. Scale is equal to what? 1 centimeter equal to 10 Newton per mm square. वो depend कर रहा है कि x y की वैल्यू के ऊपर. From that you will get the actual point of A on for graph paper. Okay, तो यहाँ पर आपने A point मार्क किया, B point मार्क किया, draw a line joining A and B. Then it will cut x-axis. उस point को C मार्क करो. Then take AC as a radius and draw the circle. AC as a radius, draw the circle. Then outermost point mark as 1, innermost point mark as 2, topmost 3 and 4. So from 0 to 1 is gives you the maximum principal stress 0 to 2, minimum principal stress C to 3, maximum shear stress C to 4, minimum shear stress. ये मैग्नीट्यूड मिलेगा. Now this theta n1, ये जो ये आपका प्रिंसिपल प्लेन है, तो and it is moving in clockwise. Already mentioned in problem. Okay, तो ये 2 theta n1 होगा. Then from here to here, that will got 2 theta n2 plus 180. Similarly, this will be what maximum principal shear stress plane. तो ये आएगा 2 theta s1, ये आएगा आपका 2 theta s2. Okay, then in figure the theta is 25 degree. That's why we are rotating this plane, this AB plane by 50 degree by 2 theta. तो ये याद लगाएगा. Okay, जहाँ पर वो कट करेगा mark that point as 5 and draw perpendicular on x-axis, mark that point as a 6. So this will be give you tangential stress. This will give you normal stress. Then this will be what resultant stress of these two, and that is your angle of obliquity. Okay, so in this way you can draw the more circle by graphical methods. Thank you.